Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Vascular tissues introduction. Vascular tissues is a complex conducting tissue formed of more than one cell type found in vascular plants. The primary component of vascular tissues are xylem and phloem. These two tissues transport fluid and nutrients internally. Together, xylem and phloem tissues form the vascular system of plants. All the vascular tissues within a particular plant together constitute the vascular tissue system of that plant. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Types of vascular tissues. There are two types of vascular tissues. Number one is xylem and number two is phloem. Xylem have tracheids, vessels, fibers and parenchyma cells, and phloem have sieve elements, companion cells, fibers and parenchyma cells. Xylem, you can observe here in diagram, water and minerals are transferred from one part to another part with the help of xylem vessel. Xylem tissue transport water and nutrients from the root to different part of the plant. Xylem are composed of compound non-living conducting tissues. They conduct water and dissolved salt from the root to different part of the plant. Xylem also form wood in plants. It support plant body. Xylem tissue are present only in tracheophytes. Component of xylem are xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma, xylem vessels, and tracheids. Tracheary elements. The specialized water and salt conducting cell of xylem are called tracheary elements. They have thick secondary wall with various types of pit. These cells are non-living at maturity. Tracheary elements are of two types. Vessel members. The tracheary elements which are short, wide and with perforated and wall are called vessel members. Tracheids. The tracheary elements which are elongated, tube-like with tipping are called tracheids. Tracheids are found in all types of vascular plants, but only angiosperms and a few other specific plants have vessel elements. Tracheids and vessel elements are arranged end to end with perforation called pits between the adjacent cells to allow free flow of water from one cell. You can observe here in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Fibers. Fibers commonly occur in xylem. The fibers are elongated, thick-walled structure. They perform supporting function. The fibers in the xylem are divided into two types. Fiber tracheids. They are like tracheids but they have very thick or medium thick wall. These walls absorb water and swell up. Lipiform tracheids, these fibers are narrow. They have very thick wall. They are found in mostly woody dicot. They are especially abundant in Leguminosae family. You can see here the structure of fiber. Parenchyma. Parenchyma is present in both primary and secondary xylem. The amount of parenchyma determines the softness and hardness of wood. Soft wood has large number of parenchyma. Hard wood have fewer amount of parenchyma cells. There are two types of parenchyma: axial parenchyma and ray parenchyma. Types of xylem: primary xylem and secondary xylem. The primary xylem is the xylem which is produced as a result of primary growth in primary xylem. Protoxylem and metaxylem are the primary xylem. The early primary xylem are called protoxylem, and the xylem is appeared later during differentiation are called metaxylem. The xylem which are produced as a result of secondary growth are called secondary xylem. Axial or vertical system. In this case, xylem elements are present parallel to vertical axis. Radial or transverse system. Their long axes are at right angle to the long axis of organ. They form xylem rays. Phloem. Phloem are living conducting tissues. They conduct prepared food from leaves to different part of the plant. They are also involved in storage of food and mechanical support. They are always associated with xylem to from vascular tissues. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our videos. And if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section. Component of phloem. Sieve elements, companion cells, sclerenchyma, parenchyma are the component of phloem. Sieve elements, cells. They are elongated cells with characteristics sieve area in their walls are called sieve element. Sieve areas are formed by modified pits. Sieve cells. The C area are not specialized in C cell. These areas are not restricted to some specific part of the wall of the cell. Sieve tube members. Sieve areas are well developed in C tuber members. C areas are confined only to end wall of the cell. Companion cell. The thin-walled parenchyma cell closely associated with the sieve elements are called companion cells. Companion cells are living. They are physiological active. They have a prominent nucleus. The companion cells have close contact. They are strongly attached to sieve tubes member. They cannot be separated easily. You can observe here in diagram the structure of sieve plates, companion cells, sieve tubes, sclerenchyma and parenchyma. Sclerenchyma fibers are commonly found in both primary and secondary phloem. The fiber occupy the outer portion in the primary phloem. They are used as commercial fiber. Phloem fibers are elongated. The phloem are called burst due to the presence of fibers. The small amount of parenchyma is present in both primary and secondary phloem. These parenchyma are called elongated in structure. These parenchyma cells are arranged vertical in primary phloem, axial phloem parenchyma and phloem ray parenchyma. Axial phloem parenchyma form the axial system and phloem ray parenchyma form the ray system. Types of phloem: primary phloem and secondary phloem. The phloem formed as a result of primary growth is called primary phloem. For example, protophlome. It is composed of elongated sieve elements, so they remain active only for short time, thus they soon disappear. Metaphlome. They mature later than protophlome, so they remain active for a long time. Secondary phloem. The phloem formed as a result of secondary growth is called secondary phloem. Vertical system. It is composed of sieve elements, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Horizontal system or ray system. Ray system is composed of ray parenchyma only. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.